Okay, part 2. The heavy clean is sitting here. As you can see, I'm literally on the very last legs of this heavy clean, so I've turned it upside down to get the last bit out of it. I use that in my washing machine, and it is my alternative, as close as you're ever going to get to completely toxic free, clean alternative to like a nappy sand or a whitener, fabric whitener. So I love heavy clean. I obviously also use it for cleaning the bathrooms, the toilet, etc, etc. So this is how neat and simple and easy the under the sink is for me. It's literally a packet of OLC wipes, because how can you not? So easy, useful. Heavy clean, which I actually have all of these 1 litres sitting here, and I decant in from the 5 litre, which sits up in the top of my cupboard for the sake of storage. CLC, which is my main liquid, but most loads I do 50% heavy clean, 50% CLC, and then my OLC. So I just feel if you were going to start with one, you'd start with this guy. But honestly, the value in the the value in the 5 litres, is you just can't go wrong. I used to buy like Earth's Choice and stuff, but when you look at the ingredients, it's still got citric acid and fragrances and the likes. And I just know that that all of the heavy clean is just such a great cleaning range. Great in the sense that you're getting that effectiveness, and also great in the sense that you're getting the good for the environment, good for people, good for pets, good for humans, good for skin, all of the things. So yeah, as I say, back to doing the dishes, but all of these dishes that are sparkling, like those adverts say, have all just been done in OLC. I am obsessed. All right, see you soon.